Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video should be a short one, but I have a feeling it's going to be a weird one. I was going through my packages yesterday, and I noticed I had a package from Eylure, and I'm thinking, okay, you know, it's Eylure, affordable drugstore brand for eyelashes. I think it's just another eyelash release. But then I actually look at it, and I get intrigued because I see that their lashes that don't require lash glue. So if you want to see what all of this is about, then just stay tuned. So this is the package that I got in the mail. It says Eylure Pro Magnetic. Open it up and there are eyelashes in here, but also eyeliner. So how this works, let me actually get it and just read it how it says, because you know, don't want to put words in anyone's mouth. The easy to apply magnetic lash strips attach seamlessly to the magnetic liner. No glue needed, giving you the desired lash look in 3 simple steps. Yeah, so basically that's how glue isn't needed. I guess the liner that you're supposed to use is magnetic and the lash is just, I'm not sure what that noise was, to the liner. Okay. I was confused for a second because I saw the liner and then I picked up the lash and I saw this. I was like, wait, isn't that glue? But no, this is also the liner. So I guess when you actually buy it, this is how it comes. It comes with the lash and the liner. Is there a style of these lashes? Black, I guess? I'm not seeing a name for this because there's 3 different ones in the package. I'm not seeing a name for this one. Okay, well, anyway, the directions say to apply liner and allow to dry completely. Apply 2 more coats and then apply magnetic lash to liner. They also have a video that you can watch with the PR package, and it's basically the same thing in the video. So basically, liner, let that dry, and then I guess do that 2 more times and then apply magnetic lash to liner. Cool, because you know, on a good day, I can't do liner. Now I need to do liner to get these to apply. We're gonna have to get you guys real up and close into my eye here. We're not doing a wing like they do in the demo video. We're just doing a real simple line to see if it actually works. I feel like some of that dried before I even finished the rest of the line. How long? It didn't say how long it takes to dry. Okay. I'm not sure what I'm expecting. Oh, so this is the 3rd coat here. I would say they all dried within like less than a minute. Now it's time to apply the lash. They use their fingers, no tweezers or anything like that, so that's what I'm gonna do in this video. Like I was saying, I'm not sure what I'm expecting here. We know how when things are magnetic, they just automatically like together. I feel like that's what I'm expecting. I'm gonna be disappointed if it doesn't. Even if it does somehow still stick onto the eye, if it doesn't do that, I feel like, you know, okay, will fit. I used this style. I don't see a style name on the box. They have, you know, more dramatic, I highly doubt there's any way you guys are gonna be able to see this. They have more dramatic ones in the package, but I used these because, you know, I'm testing this out and the other ones actually look nice, so I don't want to mess those up if I mess up. All right, well, here we go. Again, like, there's no way you'll be able to see it, but it actually does have little like blocks on the lash line that look, on the band, that look like magnets. So maybe this will work. I don't know, we'll see. I actually am nervous here. Oh, it kind of does just snap. Uh-oh. Oh, wait a minute. Did we get it? No. Ooh, no. Okay, so now that snapped off. It is snapping. Like, it's like I can legit see it snapping. I'm confused. Oh, okay. You guys see that? Okay, so here's what's going on. It actually does work. Like, you legit feel and see it snapping onto the liner, so it actually does work. Your girl's low-key geeked right now. The thing is, you guys, well, hopefully saw the lash when I held it up. This is not the length of a normal like false lash. You know, it's not. Obviously, I have more eye space than this. Good thing, you know, I just tested it out with this one here. So this one's kind of just like, you know, if you already have, you know, your lashes up here and then you just want to make it a little bit more fuller on the outside there, you just add this on, or, you know, just add this wherever you feel like you need to add some more volume or whatever to your lashes. So I'm thinking, should I do the other eye with the other piece so that it looks the same, or do you guys want to see, you know, one of the other styles to see what this would really look like if you bought it? Let's do that. I'll use one of the other ones. I messed up this eye while putting the liner on, but that's okay. This is just to test this out. But you see how this is the one I'm gonna use? Oh no, I really don't see it. See how this is longer and this is more of like a lash. I guess I'll have to reach out to the brand. Like, am I missing it? Can I just not read like where are the names of these styles? But this one's longer and fuller, so we're gonna test this one out now and see how this goes. Nah, this is low-key kind of lit here. It really does work. I don't know. Okay, let's keep it a buck here. I really didn't think it was gonna work, or, you know, like there was gonna be like some type of catch to it there, but nah, it really does what it said it was going to do there, and I'm not sure how to react if you couldn't tell right now. The only things that I guess kind of stuck out is that you might want to, you know, get the liner unless you are actually going to do like a winged liner look, because you can do that with this eyeliner. You probably want to keep it like as close to the actual lash line as possible, so, you know, it just really looks more natural there. And, you know, putting it in the right place, because it's gonna stick wherever you put the lash glue. So you know how I said I messed up here, I wanted to stick to the areas that I messed up, but that's really the only thing that I would have to point out there to you. This might have done something for the people who are beginners with lashes, who are looking for affordable lashes, who are looking for easy to apply lashes. Because you know how many people are just like, I don't put lashes on because I don't know how to, like I can't get it to look right. This might have done something for all those people. And Eylure has really pretty lash styles. So imagine once they keep adding to this collection. The video also explained the removal process, where basically you just pinch the lash and comes off that easily. Like, this literally just makes life so much easier. You see how ain't no residue? Oh no, you're not gonna see it. Why do I keep trying to show you guys? There's no like residue, no leftover glue, you know, all the stuff that just builds up, no leftover eyeshadow on there. It's just, there you go. Put it back in the container and then you're ready to go the next time. But you just pinch it to take it off, and then you use whatever eye makeup remover you want to use, oil, cleansers, anything like that. But it's literally that easy. I don't think this is launched yet, because I tried Googling it and nothing came up for these. So I don't think it's launched. If it has, it'll be in the description down below. When it does, I'll make sure to leave that in the description down below. But okay, Eylure. All right, y'all, so that is it for this video. Not as weird as I was expecting, because the product actually worked. Like, again, I was expecting it to not work, so that's why I thought it was gonna be a whole lot weirder, and I thought I was gonna look like a hot mess by the end of this video. But certainly interesting, because it did work and because I am intrigued here. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So make sure to thumbs up, comment, and subscribe down below. Thank you all for watching. I will see you in the next one.